We kind of got to climb. Right away is that way.
Yeah.
It'll be the same. I'm actually not worried about it. How are you feeling? You're what? To what? Oh, look at lunch then. All right, we're taking this right here. Do you feel comfortable with this? Just right. We have to go up like there, so it's gotta be a stretch to get over there. We need to break. All right, we feeling good?
Good.
Easier said than done, Grace. I was just stopping to give him a break really quick.
What?
I said I was just stopping to give him a break really quick.
Yeah. Okay.
Are you hungry? Yeah, you're hungry.
Keep going.
See, that wasn't bad. 10:30.
Oh, look at that golden doodle.
I know, he's huge. I saw him. He's cute. I'm gonna go back up to the break. Okay. You go do that and I'll report back where you are tonight, Sophia. Let's see what they want to do. I see him right there going wakeboard. I don't know who everybody else is. Matt! He's ready to go back in line. Where's Cindy?
But that was good, Emma. That was a good one.
Okay, good. I'm glad you like that one. Are we just gonna eat at Slopeside?
Huh?
Are we just gonna eat at Slopeside? I'm probably gonna go up Christie and do one of the longer runs. So will y'all text where y'all end up going?
For the lunch.
Yeah, and then I'll just meet you guys there. Cause Sean and all them are long gone, so.
Where are they?
Last time I checked, they were on a blue. He's over there. He like blew past us by the getter upper.
Oh.
Can I just ride with y'all and stay going? I'll just sit in the middle. I like to be uneven whenever we get off. Because that happened to me when I stayed on the other day. So if I'm in the middle, try to do it that way.
Nothing to do with it. You were gray-headed when you went the first time. Sure. Years ago.
Listen, they sell helmets and stuff year round.
Yeah, I want a helmet that has the goggles.
I don't mind the boots.
Amazon has them for cheap.
Yeah.
Like $70 cheap.
I wonder what this one is because I really like it.
They do. A lot of the different brands make the ones that flip down into the goggles.
Well, and I want, I guess, the lenses that change.
Is it like the shifting? Like it's like dark to light or what?
Well, these,
Yeah, I guess.
These are changeable on mine.
Yeah.
So these
That
are
snow bike is
close,
so cool.
Those helmets, those other ones.
I wonder if that's like to learn how to ski or if that's just a whole different thing. Now
That's a
that
whole
we
different
know-
thing. It's completely different controls because you're putting your weight on the front of the bike.
Yeah.
And then shop around.
Yeah.
So that would literally not help you at all.
Shop here.
I bet it's easier though because if you crash, you can just like let go.
Well, and now you know, like you and Grace could just come up here, and you know when there's a good deal or something.
Yeah, skiing's fun.
Yeah.
It's just such a drive. And if you don't fly, like you're doomed.
Yeah, but